Hey guys, it's DeFeed channel again, and in today's video we're going to discuss a pretty controversial topic that recently shook the whole crypto world. Yeah, it's gonna be Terra Luna project and its comeback. Wait, I know it may sound weird, but watch this video until the very end and you'll see that actually Luna Classic still has some good chances to recover and gain the trust of users and investors like ourselves. So you probably know the story already. So there was a massive dump of Luna Classic that took place back in September 2022, and we're not going to discuss the reasons why and what. I think you perfectly know that, but still, the project did not die. So for the last few months, the Terra team has been attempting to not only recover, but rebuild the whole project again. And it seems like Terra actually has a potential game plan to revamping the whole ecosystem by announcing a brand new proposal, which we're going to take a look in this video. Of course, if you enjoyed the content like this, go on and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification button. So, without any further ado, let's get the ball rolling. As of now, Terra Luna Classic is undergoing a lot of changes, and starting from October 19th, we're going to see a drastic reduction in the burn tax, which could absolutely result in a drastic decrease in the overall amount of Terra Luna Classic burn. The novice proposal reduces the burn tax from 1.2% to 0.2%. However, most importantly, the newly realized proposal implies that 10% of all burns go to the community pool. Yeah, we underline this aspect for a certain reason, and you see the reason why pretty much soon. But before we sort out whether future burns and future utility are actually going to come together and rebuild Terra Luna Classic stronger than ever before, we should touch upon something called Terra Rebels. Basically, it is a decentralized organization that has naturally come together with the shared objective of renewing the Terra Classic environment. This goal has been the driving force for their formation. Terra Rebels strive to offer and distribute software clients to the community as well as validators through the efforts of volunteers. The expectation of the organization is that by incorporating the burn tax into the core protocol, reinstating governance and staking, it will be able to continue servicing the community in an efficient manner into the foreseeable future. And so guys, we spent some time trying to really understand what they're building behind the scene. And because when they release proposals or talk about it in social media, it can become incredibly confusing sometimes. And hence, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for our own efforts. However, taking a look back at the roadmap and putting together the latest news related to the new proposal slowly puts things in their place. So, by studying the roadmap of Terra Rebels, we can see right here that repeg of the algorithmically fungible token is planned to take place towards the end of first quarter 2023. And what very few people do realize right there is that this is going to burn trillions of coins, assuming that it's put together the right way. So why is that such a big deal? The thing is that burning Terra tokens is actually going to build utility and incentivize app builders to come into Terra Luna Classic. So we want you to know is that one of the ways blockchains most frequently entice the app developers, GameFi builders, or NFT collectors to join their blockchain is that they have specific community pools that they use to finance these projects. And just like we mentioned earlier, this brand new proposal is going to be steadily fill up this pool, meaning that developers around the world will be showing more interest in building various crypto projects based on Terra Luna Classic. Quite a smart move, isn't it? Again, it makes sense for Terra Luna Classic to start something on this scale that will draw a ton of new developers who will bring a ton of utilities to the chain. Hence, there will be more transactions, more people interacting with Terra Luna Classic, and so on. Actually, we see this pattern a lot in Binance, in Ethereum, and many other different blockchains that are of a vast scale. The team's priority is to rebuild Terra Classic's infrastructure because in doing so, they will rebuild people's trust. People will feel more secure and welcome to build on the blockchain again. You see, when that occurs, which will be roughly when we predicted in the first quarter 2023, we will see a lot more people building because an improved infrastructure and accumulated funds are going to start incentivizing them to do so. And eventually, Terra Rebel developers and other founding teams across the globe will be encouraged to keep improving the chain and creating something truly remarkable that will revolutionize cryptocurrency somehow. In a broad sense, it is a win-win situation for everyone. Why? Because the community benefits. Second, developers are motivated to work on this project, and in the future, of course, 3, we gain incredible applications from all the burns that result from the thing that we've just mentioned. On top of that, we see Binance committed last month to a steady burn of the LUNC token it collects through trading fees. And the Binance team also maintains a page with weekly updates of the total volume of LUNC burn. The most popular crypto exchange in the industry has so far burned around 8.6 billion of LUNC tokens worth of $2.7 million at this very moment. Still, it might be not that much, but Binance has set up a standard for other exchanges to follow, which has sparkled the market's excitement and led some LUNC supporters again to believe that this crypto could reclaim its previous heights. To be honest with you guys, like everything that is currently going on is complete madness.
What did we learn, Palmer?
So, the fans of Terra Luna Classic are attempting to build on a platform with a poor track record, trying to resolve an issue that they didn't cause and restructure $10 billion in debt that doesn't belong to them. Maybe what they're doing is completely insane, but the project's community has proven itself to be truly special and united by the shared experience in overcoming adversity, and of course, that is why they still have a minor chance of succeeding in making Terra Luna Classic great once again. Okay guys, wrapping up this quick video. So what do you say about Terra Luna Classic comeback? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and remember that besides that, we're always open for any suggestions from you guys for the upcoming videos, so don't be shy to share them. Of course, if you like the content that we're producing to you guys, click this like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember that the bell notification is always here as well. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you again very soon in the next video. Peace out.